Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. In this video I will show you how to install PHP Composer on Windows 11. First we will install the latest version of PHP, and then we'll install Composer. So let's begin with installing PHP. Open your web browser and search for PHP. Click the official website php.net. From the top menu, click Downloads. You'll see the current version listed. Scroll down until you see both thread-safe and non-thread-safe versions. We'll download the thread-safe version. Click the Windows zip file, it's around 32 megabytes. The download will start. Once it finishes, right-click the file and select Show in Folder. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Then click Extract. After extraction, rename the folder to something simple. Now copy this folder. Go to your C drive. Now open Program Files folder. And paste it here. Click Continue if Windows asks for permission. Now open the PHP folder and copy its path. Open the Start menu and search for environment variables. Click Edit the system environment variables. Then open Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click it to open. Click New and paste the PHP folder path. Click OK on all windows to save everything. Now, let's verify the installation. Open the Start menu, type cmd, and open Command Prompt. Now enter this command here and press Enter. If the PHP version appears, PHP is installed correctly. If you see this type of error, it means your PC is missing Microsoft Visual C++. You can easily fix this by watching the video on my channel. I'll also add the video link in the description. Now let's install Composer. Go back to your browser and search for Composer. Click the official website, getcomposer.org. Click the download button. Then select the Windows installer, which is Composer setup.exe. And setup file will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, right-click it and open it. Choose Install for all users and click Next. In installation type, leave everything as it is. Composer will automatically detect the PHP installation we just set up. You'll see the path to php.exe already selected. Click Next. Keep the proxy settings as they are and click Next again. When you see the Ready to Install screen, click Install. After the installation completes, click Next, then Finish. Now let's verify Composer installation. Open command prompt again. Type Composer and press enter. If Composer information appears, that means the installation was successful. That's it, you've now installed PHP and Composer on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.